the first of the month, so cash your checks and come on. So, welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. Listen, I have tried to do this before in the past. I ain't even gonna hold you, but I'm feeling slightly optimistic this go round because I have more days off from work than I used to, and I'm not quite packing my schedule the way that I used to in previous years. I think, due to the pandemic, I think all of us are really just trying to soak up all the best of our life. At least me. Like, I can speak for myself. I'm intentionally soaking up all the goodness, dwelling in all the goodness in my life. And so I want to document this month because not only is it my newest child's first Christmas, but it's also my oldest's last year, technically, as one of the kids. She's 18, so I have two different life phases going on, and I just want to document it. So right now I'm on my way to work, dropping the baby off with my mama. So I'm gonna come back on here a little bit later because I will be decorating my salon. I have like a salon loft type situation, so I will be getting some decorations up in there. I always wait either the weekend after Thanksgiving or always on the 1st of December. So today is the 1st, so y'all gonna be seeing all the decorating that I got going on, because in addition to the salon, I started some of my stuff last night, just things that I knew that I wanted to do personally myself. I didn't want my kids to be like too hands-on in, but I'll give you guys a overview of all of that a little bit later. But we in this thing, y'all. It's the first day. Go so. I can probably say that I'm the most excited person in the room right now.
I've never seen a diamond in your eye.
All right, so we got a lot of progress made. However, we ain't done yet. So I'm gonna turn you around, let you see everything, and then we're gonna get up out of here for the night. All right, so this is my front room. Went on ahead and I got my little, holly situation. I got 2 trees up here. I think these are super cute, but what will make it even cuter is getting more ribbon to go on this little guy, and then I also want to get a tree skirt just so everything kind of flows. And then I have this nice little like swag wreath like situation on this TV stand. I did this yesterday. I didn't show you guys the progress of this at all, but this is what I have going on. A lot of this stuff came from the dollar store or really cheap. So these placemats I got from, the dollar store. How cute are these? So stinking cute. And then I got these chargers from Big Lots. And then the plates came from Target. And then the napkins I got from Home Goods. And then for these settings, same thing, napkins from Home Goods, plates from Target. These chargers I got from Dollar Tree, so they're plastic, kind of flimsy. And then these placemats I got from the dollar store as well. I got this little runner here. It wasn't long enough to go long ways, but that's fine. I think that this makes up for it. I think it's really cute. This situation, this little Lazy Susan, I already had as a gift, but these smaller trees I got from the dollar spot in Target. Got these two guys from Big Lots, and then this little wreath-like situation here I picked up from Michael's like maybe 2 years ago, and these are like those scented pine cones. I always love to get these. And so that's my little tablescape situation. I got this cute little pillow here. I got that as a gift. One of my clients gave it to me because it didn't quite go with her theme of everything. And then I just have my apron just draped over the back of this chair. Now this is another project that has not fully come together yet. I'm thinking about stringing some lights up around this, maybe like some tinsel or something, just to bring some brightness to these guys. I just got those from Joann Fabrics. They're just basic, what are they called? Garland. So they're really slim and sleek. But yeah, like I said, I want to dress them up with some lights. I think that would be cute going up the stairway. All right, we're going to keep it real up in here. The kitchen is a hot ass mess, but I went on ahead and I picked up this poinsettia. I got this from Aldi for like $3. It's like per about that lot. And then I always do a bowl of fruit with some nuts. I don't know, it's like tradition, right? Like every house you go to during the holidays, that's what they do. And so I do it just for tradition. I don't know. Like I said, house is a hot mess. Don't worry about it. And then over here, I got these 3 little trees. So cute, from Joann Fabric. I forget how much I paid for these, but I just thought these were super sweet. And then this little bowl, some more of those scented pine cones. But then I also foraged a couple of pine cones from my yard, and I just put a candle in there, so when I burn it, everything's gonna be warmed up and smelling good. And then we go into the living room. The Big Daddy. Let's get a close up. So I put these little guys on my TV stand, this little situation here. My mantle, I still need to tie up a little bit. This little guy I normally put up, but my thing in the middle popped off and I can't find it. So I have to go out and pick up some more of those. But the tree, the big tree, is complete. I love my tree skirt. I picked that up from Home Goods a while ago. But get into it, get into it. So I switched up a few things this year. I added some different ribbon, so let me get close up. I added this green velvet. I feel like I could have gotten the wider ribbon, but I'm satisfied with the way it came out. And then I also added like some of these little picks just here and there, and I also have like some of those little holly picks. And look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute is he? And I just have birds all over my tree. That's been pretty much the theme. It's like nature and birds and butterflies, and I love it. So very satisfied. All right, so I am going to call it wraps for the night. Still have a few things to button up, but hopefully I will be complete with everything, and then I will be filming a video for what I do on my porch outside. But that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. If you want to see more from my Vlogmas, definitely make sure that you stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, bell notification, hit a like on this video, and until the next time, peace out.